Here we see a male and female mallard preening. Preening is a form of grooming and cleaning behavior observed in all species of birds and is performed by biting, scratching, or ruffling the feathers in order to clean them and keep them in good condition for flight. Most species of bird also possess a preen oil gland, also known as the uropygial gland, found near the base of the tail that secretes an oil. We can observe these two birds anointing their beaks and feet with the oil and rubbing it all over their feathers. Preening behavior likely evolved in conjunction with flight. Since preening is an essential behavior to maintain feathers for flight, evidence of the preen oil gland should be seen in a few species of bird that still perform preening behavior but do not have a functioning preen oil gland. In an article by William Elder published in 1954, this evidence is observed in some rat-type birds, a group of large, flightless birds, who still possess the analogon of the gland during their embryonic stages of development but do not have a functioning preen oil gland as adults. The oil of the gland may also serve to protect the bird from bacteria that grows on the skin and feathers. If this is so, birds that produce oil should be in better health than birds that produce oil but do not have access to the gland. A study done by Girardel et al. In 2010 states that female mallards with restricted access to the uropygial gland lost a significant amount of body mass when compared to birds with access to the gland, and also had higher plasma lysosome concentrations, which are enzymes that damage bacterial cell walls. Furthermore, females without restricted access to the gland, being in better health, could invest more in egg production, laying heavier eggs than females with restricted access. Since preening is such an important behavior for maintaining flight and overall health of the bird, it is not likely triggered by any specific physiological stimuli. Rather, it seems to be just something birds do in their free time. However, like grooming in mammals, preening may also be a form of comfort behavior, possibly triggered by stress. An experiment performed by Juan Delius in 1988 confirms these assertions. Delius reports that no environmental effects are needed to trigger preening except in extreme cases. For instance, when there is extended periods of hot, dry weather, birds are more likely to rain bathe as soon as a light shower occurs. Delius also found that when a group of seagulls was presented with a potential threat stimulus, they exhibited a series of behaviors that included a short bout of preening. To further investigate this behavior, a small dose of apomorphine, a powerful dopamine, was injected intracerebroventricularly and was found to significantly enhance preening, indicating that preening is a form of comfort behavior in birds. Because of these findings, I believe that preening behavior is more innate than learned. However, it should be still possible to manipulate the behavior to investigate how preening changes over time. For instance, a bird that is not allowed to preen effectively should not develop a normal preening routine. This hypothesis is supported by Gregor et al. And reported in a study by Sandilands and Savory in 2002, where it was found that turkeys whose beaks had been trimmed when they were 1 day old spent significantly less time preening than individuals with untrimmed beaks over a 12-week period.